Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Lance from JR Jeep. Glad to have you stop by. Today we are looking at a package that came in the mail today. I ordered from Carolina Metal Masters a new grab bar for the front of my Jeep JK from them. It is personalized. It also has some ball mounts on it, and with that I also got their kit, which does include a bracket mount for an iPad mini. More on that to follow. Right now what we're going to do is open up the box and see what we got. So here we got the package. See our Carolina Metal Masters. Let's open it up and see what we got. Looks like it's packaged really well. I did order the personalized one. They have tons and tons of fonts to choose from. So if you're worried you're going to find something that'll be personalized and fit your style, don't worry about it, because he literally has tons of options to come by. As my Jeep is firecracker red, I decided on the red grab bar. You can see we have the ball mount here. Dangerous type to go along with my Jeep. Those are the stanchions for it. He did state in the install videos they do have it bracketed so it can fit in there really well, and it might be a little tight, so we're going to look at that. Now for the other stuff that's in here, this is the adjustable arm for the ball mount. We got some instruction videos that we can look at. Of course, the sticker, which is going to be cool. I'll have to put that on. And here is the bracket for the iPad mini. So it looks like this is pretty well designed. So it does look like it also has wings on there to help against rattling, besides the mount itself, which is adjustable. And it looks like it holds a couple different ways if you want to reverse. So that's really cool. I'm looking forward to putting this on. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how we install this, see what it looks like in the Jeep. Looking forward to it. I guess we used the hardware that came with the Jeep, so don't get rid of that when you take it out. And next, the install. Thanks for stopping by, and look forward to seeing you again, and we'll show you what the bar looks like in the Jeep with the install. Bye now.